What's up? I'm Jeff Cannonball. This is the 5 Count. Today we're going to eat the Paqui One Chip Challenge, the Carolina Reaper Madness. Everybody who's here, let's start down here. Introduce yourself.
Oh, God, I'm Ryan Zane. I'll pretty much do anything for attention these days.
That's why I do the whole show.
I'm Smiley. Hi, Smiley.
Oh, it's Smiley.
I'm the rock and roll model, Matt Sex Sells. And I'm hotter than this chip.
Let's see about that. So let's open it. For those who don't know, it's one chip. It's the spiciest chip in the world. I've never done this. I don't think anybody here has ever done this. So we all also ill-prepared. 3 glasses of water and a Sprite. Jesus.
Selling you out.
Oh, I just got a little of my tongue opening it. That's fun.
How's yours look? I have so much powder on this one.
Yeah, they're pretty well dusted.
We can agree we're all going powder side down on the tongue, right?
Oh, of course, yeah.
All right. Shall we
Brothers.
cheers?
Are we cheersing in 3, 2, 1, or
Right.
just going?
Yeah, sure. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I done swallowed.
I'm pretty good.
This is not bad.
That's not, yeah.
This is not bad. Yeah, you got it, brother. Yeah.
Eyes are watering a little bit. Overall,
Yeah.
not, yeah.
I feel it.
Actually, yeah. Like, it's not the worst thing in the world. I'm gonna live. No, I'm just emotional.
It gets worse the longer it goes.
It's building.
Yeah.
It's definitely building.
What's that comeback? Dad needs a babyface comeback.
How you doing, Smiley? It's building for
Hey
you?
guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for tonight.
Thank you.
Oh,
It's being filled.
No, I'm okay.
who thought this was a good idea?
Oh, I should have gone to college.
I did go to college. That's the stupid part. It's not that bad.
It sucks.
The poops tomorrow. The poops.
You cried. Get his eyes. Oh my god.
Like instantly, I took
Oh,
It's building.
ah.
I think oh god.
Ryan's saying sensitive, tough guy.
It would help if the water were cold at all.
Yeah.
Water.
If this doesn't get me bookings on customs, I don't know what will.
I think we can all agree it's gotten worse. At first we were all getting powder.
I'm sweating.
Oh god.
There's like some like Cheerios in there. That would help.
What are you?
Fuck.
This is what I get for sticking to my time.
Good job, Paqui.
And that's entertainment.
Ryan Zane, give out some plugs, dude. Where can people find you?
Oh,
We're ready when you.
you can see me really trying to kill myself dead every Wednesday at Dojo Wars. Check your YouTubes.
Wait, you have to do a now?
I'm at Wrestle Rye.
Ouch.
That's Wrestle RY on Twitter. Don't find my Facebook, please. It's a confusing last name. Just tell your locals to book me, please. Dad needs a job.
And customs.
Customs. Look at this. You want an otter?
What about you?
Matt Sex Sells at All Sales Final, ALLSELLS FINAL on Twitter. Instagram, rock and roll model, Matt Sex Sells on
Sorry to
Facebook.
interrupt, but Smiley's dying right now. All right, finish it. I'm sorry.
It's Never Sunny in Matlanta. Debuts every Thursday. YouTube.com/Matt Sex Sells, as well as all those other various social media
I just got my
platforms.
throat.
I do stupid shit just like this.
Smiley. _lucha. Everyone.
Stop going in the water. And you can follow me or us, Twitter, Instagram, all that at the Flaming Table. Every YouTube. Every fucking Thursday, 7 o'clock. Interviews and shit like this.
Oh, there you go.
Not bad. I can't decide if that was the smartest decision or the dumbest decision I've ever made.
It's definitely not in between.
Don't you see how good I can sell?
Let's see if I got like a
Alright.
bar or something on bag. Soak that heat up.
Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you to Capital Wrestling for letting us do this in the kitchen of the locker room. Tell everybody.